Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to teach you on how you can, put a picture in InStaShot. So if you want to add a background to any of your shots and want to make sure that it's a big video that can be uploaded on a regular basis on your YouTube videos. So what you have to do is click on InStaShot. And once you are in the InStaShot, click on videos that you want to do that. If I want to do that, I'm going to an old of my one of the old videos that I've created, and this is my old video. This is picture in picture. I have the background that you can see that's kind of like green and the video on it. So the first thing I will do is make sure I scroll this on the side, and you can see PIP. There's an option called PIP. You're gonna click on that. So this is the video that I later added on. Make sure to add the picture first. So in that case, I edit the picture first that remains on my background, and in the PIP, I will add this video. So once I add that video, if I want to, adjust the sizes, I'm gonna hold this video and I'm gonna zoom it out with my hands on the screen, or adjust it, or I can zoom it in. It depends totally on me how I want it. So this is how you can do that. So after that you're done, you're gonna click on this button, and we're gonna I have my mic there. So I'm going to click on this button. And in here, you can see the picture in picture is available. So this is the easy and quickest method on how you can add a picture in picture on your InstaShot and how you can do that. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.